I was just on my computer playing a game. Then my mom comes in and she goes, "Oh my gosh, Sean, it's hailing." And I go, "Wait, really?" And I come outside. It wasn't not like this at all. It was just kind of sprinkling. Sprinkle hail. What you could call it. But then it stopped hailing. Good. But it looks like freaking snow. Why is there freaking hail that looks like snow? That's my backyard.
Which skill did you want to know the radio?
Oh my gosh. Just wanted to get a video. It stopped, sadly, but my mom and my sister got some pretty good shots of it actually hailing. So, that's my roof. Alright. Catch y'all later.